with Micah Ortiz in the back row and also Maru Banaticla. Judy Caballero has taken it upon herself to do all the scoring and the attacking for USD, and she has been very effective on the offense of the Tigresses right now, establishing a 5-point lead as Coach Mamon finally gives them the final instructions in the huddle. We're tied at 1 set apiece, but USD with a 5-point cushion here in set number 3.
And Rhea is just giving it to Judy almost exclusively, no? Why not? She's been producing. Just as long as she gets a good reception, it's gonna go to Judy.
Ooh! Hawakan ni Micah Ortiz. That was on its way out from Vargas. A lucky break for FEU, and they needed that.
Yes. Minsan may disadvantage na yung maging masyadong matangkad.
Ayaw mo nang abutin, abot mo pa.
Outside na yung bola, tinatamaan ka.
12 serving 16. USD goes to the other side to the rookie Lastimosa.
That's Vargas for you. Overpowering the block. Kanina ilang siya sa block, kaya ilang net calls yung nakuha niya, no? But right now, that's how she hits. Doesn't mind the block, just hits it into the block.
What should be the mentality talaga, Ian, for attackers who go up against tall blockers? Do you really try and be creative, or you just do what you do best?
When you have a strong blocking opponent, remember, there's always that option of hitting it off the block. So you gotta be choosy, or you gotta be accurate in your target. Kung gusto mo yung outside hand, doon ka lang lagi sa outside hand. It doesn't matter. You'll still get the point anyway, kahit solid yung palo mo off the block. In international competition, that's sometimes the number one option. You've got 6'10", 6'11 players abroad, and obviously those hands are just above the net. So talagang ang target mo, patamain sa fingers, patamain sa tibet. So that's a legal play, and kaya nga ang nangyayari sa depensa, sa floor defense, ini-extend yung court. Lumalaki na tuloy yung court dahil alam mo pag tumama sa blocker, kailangan habulin mo ulit.
Off the block.
FEU fighting back here. They're down by 5 at one point, but they are within 2 already.
Remember, this was the same situation FEU was in the second set. Humabol sila and they turn things around at the end.
The back set, Caballero. Eulalia with the left hand. Ooh, poor reception from Caballero that time. A rare error from her in set number 3.
Nice set from Giselle. Oh, Rhea was actually there, but Caballero with just the left hand picked it up.
Now Vargas and the Lady Tams within 1, 16-17. Oh, but Banaticla made sure hindi tayo magkakaroon ng tie, at least at this point.
Well, that's the attacker to go to. Maru in front. Parang hindi nga masyado nabibigyan si Maru, no?
Well, matagal sila naipit sa back row eh.
Yeah.
Kasama ni Micah Ortiz as Abitan checks in for Vargas of FEU. Bagang. That's Hirotsuji hitting. Here comes Baniel. A rarely seen chop sa volleyball coming from Caballero. Here comes Eulalia. Good floor defense by USD. Banaticla, the tip. Intercepted by C. Bagang flies in. Bagang is blocked.
Uy!
Poor second ball from Winnet Eulalia. It was off her neck. Here comes the attack of USD. And they paid the price for that free ball na binigay nila.
That's true. Well, Eulalia actually had the missed dig. First time I'm gonna say that.
Yeah, doon na siya sa ilalim.
Doon na siya.
And mataas yung bola.
Biglang nagbago siya ng isip. I think she was trying to decide whether she's gonna do an overhand or an underhand.
Underhand.
She got confused in the end.
And USD, because of that, lumayo. They're up by 3 again. Make that 4 as Banaticla starts to get it going here in set number 3,
It's
2016.
Yeah, it's her turn this time. Before, it was Caballero in that same position, but Caballero's back row player.
So sabi mo nga, matagal na pahinga si Banatikla. Oh, sinabi niya, ako naman.
Pwede ba ako naman? Paalam eh.
Underhand set, Bagang blocked.
That's a tough double block for Bagang.
Oh, solid solo block by Banatikla, pero the ball rolls in a very uncanny way alongside the net. And a point para sa FEU. 17 serving 20.
Rose Daniel serving for the Lady Cameras.
Display ball to Banatikla.
Banatikla is on fire.
Yes. That's your number 1 attacker. Number 2 in the league. She's in the front row. That's
Feed the beast. You know?
yeah, that's a no-brainer right there.
De Leon comes in for Hirotsuji para sa USD. And it seems like Banatikla right now is 10 out of 10, you know, when it comes to attacking from that corner. 21 serving 17. Good solid serve from Jessie De Leon of Bagang. The tip is just short.
Reyes doing a good job in closing down the line. Kaya kita mo lahat ng palo ng FEU napa-funnel cross court.
FEU, timeout. Pakinggan si Coach Pamilar.
Ay, taas mo, huwag mong bilisan. Ha? So pag-isip, tingnan mo kung sino yung tagapalo mo, hindi bigay lang tayo ng bigay. Eh? Oh, hindi pa tapos, lilima yan. Lima lang yan, kapitan nyo muna. Time sa blocking. Wala kasi sa timing yung blocking mo. Talong ka lang na talong. Mataas na bola, di ba? Oh, bilangan mo kasi. Pwede ka matanong ka lang.
Kapit pa tayo, kapit pa tayo.
FEU in a very tight situation right now. They're down by 5, but USD only needs 3 to go up 2 sets to 1.
5 points up for USD. Still serving number 16, De Leon.
FEU can ill afford errors at this point of the set. Bagang. An easy reception para sa USD and an easy put away from Dimakulangan. The defense of FEU spread out.
What made it hard for FEU to defend is that was a perfect reception. So talagang diretso kay Rhea. If you're gonna think logically, Rhea's gonna set this up. Maganda reception eh. Pero she did the opposite, and that is what caught FEU off guard. Yung hulog ni Rhea after a perfect reception.
2 points away from taking this set is USD. Wynneth blocked. Basas picks it up. Basas will tip. The block was there.
This time, the call is made.
Oh, 4 touches. So, hindi tumama sa block yung bola. Set point. USD to go up 2 sets to 1.
Napako naman itong Lady Tamaraos at 17.
Serving De Leon.
Another good serve from Jessie De Leon. Back row hit from Caballero. Basas. Outside, and USD an easier closeout of set number 3. It was tight until midway when all these errors crept into the game of FEU. Now Rhea Dimakulangan and the Tigresses 1 set away from going forward in the postseason and meeting up with Ateneo. Does FEU still have something in them to take it to the 5th? Find out when we come back.